Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Yogesh Fitness. So today I'm gonna talk about weight loss as I got multiple queries about it in last few months. Everyone was talking about let's sir please make a video on it. So I thought let's make it today. I got little more time because of quarantine. So the first thing that you need to keep in your mind while going towards the weight loss is planning your meals in advance to make you sure that you will not lose your pace and you will stay on the right track. Then the second thing that you need to keep in your mind is adding up good fibers in all your meals to give a good bounce and good volume to your meal to keep you more satisfied with less caloric intake. Then the third thing that you need to keep in your mind is you need to chew each and every bite of it properly, smoothly. You need to give time to your meal. Make sure at the time when you are eating you will not watch TV or any of the social media source. Concentrate on your meal to get it more digested and get it more diluted in your body, to get the best out of it. So the next point that you need to keep in your mind is eating small meals with the right time gap that keeps your digestive system on a right track to lose weight much more faster. Then make sure when you're eating snacks, go for right choices, make right choices. Instead of chips, go for popcorns. Instead of ice cream, go for Greek yogurt or something, Greek yogurt. Instead of soft drinks, go for juices. Instead of juices, go for whole fruits. That's gonna help you out to add up more fibers, less sugar, less trans fat, to keep your weight loss journey much more on track and easier. Water. Water matters the most at the time of weight loss. Generally what happens when we are thirsty, so generally we get confused whether we are thirsty or we are hungry, and in that situation we land up eating more and more. So make sure you are keeping yourself hydrated. Drink at least 3.5 liters to 4.5 liters a day, and detox yourself early morning every day. You can detox with alkaline water, you can have aloe vera water, you can have amla water, you can have lemon water with honey. There are multiple ways of detoxifying your system. Make sure you detox your system every morning. Get your blood test done. This thing matters the most. You know what, sometimes it happens that your vitamin D3 is low, sometimes your vitamin B is low, sometimes you have insulin sensitivity, sometimes PCOD is there, sometimes estrogen imbalance is there, and there are multiple reasons you tend to gain weight. So get your blood test done in every 6 months. It helps you a lot to stay on track. Make sure you are eating your dinner light and 2 hours prior to bed. That's gonna fire up the whole system as you are going for a prolonged fasting in that sleeping time period, but your body is still burning calories. So that's the best time to lose weight. Make sure you follow this particular tip very religiously. So the next thing that you need to keep in your mind is measuring yourself. Get yourself measured. Measured by weight, by inches. That's gonna help you to stay motivated and stay on the right track, and keep on challenging yourself after every measurement. Like after 15 days when you will go for a measurement, that's gonna challenge you and keep you motivated and on the right track. Then it comes to cleaning up your own kitchen. Remove all the temptations from your kitchen that's gonna distract you to eat anything wrong. So make sure you'll wipe out the kitchen. Don't throw it, but don't keep anything which is not good for your weight loss journey. Next thing that you need to keep in your mind is keep yourself moving. As we are in a lockdown condition, the situation is such that we are staying at home, and actually we are not doing anything um, that takes a lot of energy of yours, and we forget moving. We land up in sitting for a longer duration. So make sure that you are moving after every 30 minutes for at least 2 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and stretching yourself to keep yourself more active and keep that fire on of losing weight. Then make sure when you are drinking, yeah, I'm talking about drinking. I know this is a very very important point in multiple people's life. So when you're drinking, don't add any soft drink in it. It adds up a lot of calories, and at the same time make sure you're not overeating, because most of the time when we drink, I don't, but when we drink, so we'll end up in eating a lot of calories. So make sure you don't eat a lot of calories at at the time of drinking. So the next point that I'm going to talk about is very important. So you need to manage yourself. When I say managing my ourself, is all about avoid stress, stay happy, because when you get into stress, your cortisol gets messed up, and then you tend to eat more, you tend to eat sugar, you tend to eat chocolate, tend to eat more of calories, and that is not at all good for a weight loss journey. So make sure that you avoid the situations to get into stress. Keep yourself happy, keep yourself motivated, and keep working on your track. So that matters the most. One thing that you can do to make your weight loss journey much more easier is motivate your family members to get into fitness. So how it's gonna help you, the food culture is gonna be the same, the food eating habits are gonna be the same, they'll be on the same track, but maybe with a very different caloric structure. But the good food is good for everyone. So if they have a target of gaining some good muscle, then also the food is gonna be the same, but the caloric structure, the workout structure is gonna be different, but you all are gonna be on the same track. So the scope of getting distracted is gonna be very less. Then when it comes to workout, try and do HIIT, high intensity interval training, thrice a week. That will fire up the whole system. It'll change the game all in total 360-degree. And the exercises that you can perform are gonna be, let me name some. So you can start with high knees, back knees, butt kicks, planks, pelvic bridges, inchworms, burpees, thrusters, and then shoulder taps, jumping jacks, skipping. You can go for frog jumps, you can go for squats, you can go for lunges. All these exercises you can perform at home, as now the gyms are not open, so you can perform all these exercises and keep yourself much more fitter, and get your weight loss journey easier and much more faster. So at the end, I would want to tell you all only one thing: this is the best time to keep yourself motivated and change yourself, because after this we are not gonna get this kind of time where we will be able to concentrate on ourselves. So in a way, it's a good time for us to achieve something personal, on a personal front. So I wish you all the best to achieve your goals in a very easier and in a very safer manner. And I'll make sure I'll make some more good videos to keep you guys motivated. And if you like this video, please make sure that you will share it with others to get them also on the right track and change their life. Thank you.